Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. My name is Atisa Munira binti Azman and I am from SK Banda Putra Segamat. Today, I would like to tell you about myself and my greatest achievements from these past years. I am from a family of 7 and I am the fourth child in this family. My father works as a town planner under Majlis Pembandaran Segamat. My mother works as a pharmacist at the Segamat Hospital. Talk about hobbies, I love reading so much. I usually read books about science and technology, as well as play musical instruments during my free time. I have participated in numerous competitions, from school level to international level. Starting with school level competitions, I have won multiple English co-academic activities, such as storytelling and interclass spelling competition. One of my recent greatest achievements includes the English Co-Academic Data Spell competition, which I've placed first for district level. Because of that, I was chosen as a representative for Segamat district to the state level. But unfortunately, I only placed 6 out of the 11 districts in Johor. For national level, my school participated in the 2025 Kesemanis Innovation Competition in groups of 4. My group successfully won the Silver Award. Moving on to international level, I am most successful in Kangaroo Maths and Spelling Bee. I have won 2 bronze medals for the year 2022 and 2024, as well as a silver medal for this year's Kangaroo Maths. For Spelling Bee, I've only managed to reach the semi-finals twice, but I will try harder to achieve better results in the future. With that being said, allow me to introduce you to this fascinating and remarkable book, Forget-Me-Not Fairies, penned by the award-winning children's author and poet, Marian Musgrove. Forget-Me-Not Fairies showcases her gift for crafting enchanting stories filled with emotion, wonder, and creativity. Besides the enormous writing talent, the book is beautifully complemented by the work of several brilliant artists. Flip through this book and you'll be impressed and delighted by the magical illustrations. The illustrator, Patricia McCarthy, and her team brings a distinctive style and vision to the book. With a total of 11 captivating and magnificent stories, each one of them brimming with imagination, depth, and unforgettable characters. Every tale invites the reader into a unique world filled with wonder, intrigue, and emotional richness. Together, they form a vibrant tapestry of narrative experiences, ensuring that every new page offers a new adventure or insight that longest long after reading. The writing and illustration blends effortlessly, perfectly capturing the book's magical atmosphere and bringing its fairy tale world to life. All of you will imagine yourselves in the story, joining the two sisters in a wonderful adventure in the world of Wishaway Wood. This book made me realize that we must always embrace the small connections in life and appreciate the moments we have with those who we have such little time with. I'm confident that once you start reading this book, you won't ever regret turning its pages. Add this book to your collection, you won't regret buying it. It seems like that's all I have to say for now. Make sure to buy the book, Forget-Me-Not Fairies. Have a great day and thank you!